So title db.column Python Flask. So title db the unique true nullable equal to so nullable accepted so false. Then similar way the last one which is called as contents content which is equal to db dot column of db dot string of size which is equal to 120 comma unique equal to true comma nullable equal to false. So I will create a class. So same way it will automatically create a table named as item inside that 3 column id table and content automatically which create. Now I will write a default method. So definition underscore underscore init method which is equal to init method of which comprising of 3 parameters self comma title comma content. So inside the method you will write self dot title equal to title self dot content equal to content. So I will write the same. So at last I will type db dot at last I will type db dot create underscore all of. So it automatically create the table inside the save the file inside that C colon Flask CRUD activity. I will save the file as api.py. Now I will go here. Before that I will verify select star from item. So there is no table was placed here. So table does not exist. So now I will execute my program. So Python api.py. So item class item. There is an error in class items. Please verify the same. So I think there is a mistake for class C small. Save the file and execute again. I think db column the close parenthesis after 120 is missing. So close the same. Now save the file and execute the same again. Yes, content. So this is a method. So at last there is a colon missing. So save the file and execute the same again. So SQL Alchemy. So db equal to SQL Alchemy of app. Name SQL Alchemy is not defined. So I will verify that. SQL all caps here L small. So SQL Alchemy. So now I will save the same. Now execute that project again. So Flask false spelling mistake. Now I will execute the same again. So yes, project working fine. Now you go to the IDE. So verify whether the table is created or not. Select star from item. Refresh the Postgres DB and execute again. Does not exist. Please wait. Any errors? SQL Alchemy binds is set as URI SQLite Alchemy database URI error. So app.config SQL spelling mistake SQL Alchemy. So save the file, again execute the same. Now you can execute successfully. Now you can go to here and select star from item. Yes, automatically which create a table. This is what SQL Alchemy works. Without writing queries manually, it automatically creates with the help of ORM, which automatically create the table structure. Yes, fine. Now, this is what the basic of Flask for creating table using SQL Alchemy. Thanks for watching.